live from Radhika Hassan and Mustang Productions exhibition, a launch of Radhika's collection for Satya Paul today. She'll soon be doing a Talyani as well. So she's bringing all the exciting brands from India and making sure that those brands are all accessible to people like us, and that's very exciting. So we're here in central London. Our friends are here having tea and shopping, and there's a variety of things from saris to ready to wear. So it's not just bridal, it's kind of very wearable stuff as well.
Hi, I'm Samira,
I'm Amna.
and we've come here today to Radhika Hassan's exhibition for Satya Paul. And there's one particular sari that I loved. It was beautiful. It was a collection by Lisa Ray, which I've picked up. It's a stunning piece, but all the other ones are also gorgeous.
Yeah, she's got a lovely collection here. In fact, I've picked up some beautiful pieces, saris, and a really nice top. And I just loved her collection. It was really nice day. A lot of people here, and nice buzz to it. Firstly, I'm delighted that TV Apex is here covering this event. Mustang is very, very proud to present to TV Apex the brand new brand in town. The brand is called Radhika Hassan. Radhika Hassan is a business associate and also a very dear friend. And the whole idea behind the Radhika Hassan brand is that Radhika is going to be stocking the best of Indian couture and the best of Pakistani couture and bring it here to mainland UK, so everybody can get to wear all those amazing designer pieces that we see on TV or we see on movies and magazines and so on and so forth. So it's a one-stop shop to get the right jewelry, the right accessories and the right outfits.
Hi, I'm Shamita and I design jewelry by the name of Mehrunissa. Basically, the name was picked up because my jewelry collection is from the Nizam's collection. We take off designs from there and re-edit them and just get them done. My karigars are the old Nizam karigars lineage, and the designs that are done are basically from that era. There's beautiful meenakari on the pieces, and they're all set in 22 karat gold with uncut diamonds and precious stones. I'm very grateful to Radhika Hassan Limited for getting introduced in London for the first time. We've been doing this jewelry thing for almost 8 years now in India, and our designs are very well known, and our speciality is sutallas, which is a special design made by one particular karigar all over India. There's just one person who makes them, and that's all we do. And I thank Radhika Hassan Limited again. Thanks a lot.
Hi, I'm Shivangi. I'm a philanthropy manager with the Prince's Trust here in London. And I was invited to come to this exhibition today by Sadia Siddiqui to see some sort of new work of Satya Paul's. I believe it's the Autumn Collection. And absolutely everything I've seen here so far is completely stunning.
I'm Faiza Bhatt, an artist from Pakistan based in London. I'm here at the show by the invite of a dear friend, Sadia Siddiqui, who's behind the Mustang Productions. And the show means a lot to you. This show means a lot to me in the sense that it's bringing together Pakistani and Indian designers. So it's a kind of a fusion, a collaborative. So in the kind of social spirit as well, it was something that enticed me, hence I'm here. Also very much here to support these beautiful efforts of creative minds coming from that region of the world, and lovely to see all the enthusiasm among the ladies.
Firstly, my name is Radhika Hassan. My company Radhika Hassan Limited is a distribution, marketing and brand management company. So essentially what we do is bring to the UK South Asian designers, or the best of Indian and Pakistani designers to the UK. And we try, and we're getting very competitive price points and selling at Indian retail prices. Currently we've started with our first exhibition, which is today, and it's the highlight of the exhibition is Satya Paul. We're showcasing today their latest autumn-winter collection, 2013, and along with them we have, so from Satya Paul we have fantastic gorgeous cocktail saris, tunics, kaftans, dresses, as well as Aharon. They're another very good Indian designer. So we're showcasing lovely shalwar kameezes, tunics from them. We have evening bags from Ozone Designs, and beautiful jewelry from Mehrunissa from Delhi. And currently, we've been here since 11 in the morning, and the response has been absolutely fantastic. Lots of people have been coming, and we've already sort of nearly sold out, and it's been half the day. So the response is fantastic. We've got people coming from India, Pakistan, from all over, really, from South Asia, and they have been buying and admiring all the lovely outfits we've had. So yeah, we're very happy with the response we've got today, being our first exhibition.